Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to your favorite channel, that is Ed High, to boost your financial knowledge and skills. In today's video, you are going to learn about the advanced level of variance chart. For this, I have set up the actual data and budgeting data. In addition to that, we need to create the support columns. First is the base column, as we are going to create the mix of clustered and stacked bar chart. So use the minimum function to set the minimum value as base value. Use the above budget and below budgets column as a support to highlight the positive and negative variance. For above budget, use max function. So you need to deduct the actual value minus the budget value in the formula, and the value is otherwise 0 if this is not true or below, because we are going to select the max value. The purpose of choosing this function is actually to set the stacked chart and use the base value as a base column, and in addition to that, just add up the additional value by using the below and above average values. After setting up the tables, now it's time to choose the chart and go to the chart option and select the stacked bar chart. Uh, you can see from the stacked bar chart that the data should be based upon the months, because we are actually trying to get the variance analysis for the period. So here we have selected the months, so the x-axis should be the months. And now you should go to the combo options and just you need to choose the actual and budgeted columns or the budgeted bars in the chart option as the secondary option, and choose them as the clustered bars, while the rest of the chart areas are the stacked bar chart, and those will be primary. So in this way, your chart is actually now ready, and the next step is actually to create the colors of the bars. Next, we choose the colors, and those are the colors we are going to use are the gradients. For actual, I just use the blue and red color for the budgets, and same I have used the black and yellow color for the actual. To highlight the variance, choose red color for negative variance and green color for good performance, I mean positive variance. Use the data labels for actual and budgeted values and format the fonts in light colors. Now you are ready to impress your boss and clients on any platform as a freelancer. Now use this chart to present the variance. And finally, don't forget to subscribe, like my channel. Thank you.